Good morning students and welcome back. In previous presentations we discussed about degrees of comparison, right? We've covered introduction, type 1 and type 2, right? Today we'll talk about type 3, which is two individuals. You need to remember this name, type 3, two individuals. Let's quickly look at the formula. How you'll remember? If the positive statement you see in a sentence, if you see as dash as means as adjective as, then it is your type 3 two individual positive sentence. When you'll convert it into comparative, then you have to add the negative word not, then your adjective, and then the comparative word then, which is compulsory for comparative. And very important thing which you'll remember students is that in this type 3 to individual, superlative is not possible. So please, whenever the statement in exam is given positive one, you'll only do the comparative statement and not the superlative. Okay? Now in this, two types of things are possible. If the statement is given in positive, you'll change it into comparative negative. But if comparative is given, okay, let's take first example of this. For example, John is as dash as Mike. John is as tall as Mike. Now tall is your adjective. You can see I've highlighted it, underlined it, and it's in green color. And as and two as are highlighted in red color. Okay. When you convert it into comparative, you see Mike will come in the beginning. Okay. Mike is, and you can see then I've added the word not, and tall will become taller. Okay. For comparative, not taller than John. Okay. And superlative is not possible. The other thing which I said is there is a possibility that you may get positive in negative, means the word not is added. So not so dash as, that means again it is a type 3 two individual statement. Okay, not so adjective and then as. So what you will do, you'll convert the comparative in positive one. You'll remove the word not. So only dash then means adjective then. Okay, let's look at its example as well. And again, superlative is not possible in this. Either it is positive negative or positive positive. Superlative is not possible in any of them. So let's take example. Rabbit is not so fast as hare. Not, you can see the negative word. Okay. Now here the different thing which you'll notice students is here that in positive mostly we use as dash as. Okay, but if it is in negative then we will not use as but we will use so, not so. Okay, not so adjective as. Then when you convert it into comparative, what will happen? Hare will come in the beginning. Hare is faster. Fast will become faster. Hare is faster than rabbit. Understood student? Great. Now let's quickly look and solve the fair book exercises. Let's look at the first example. Mr. Khan is as popular as Mr. Kapoor. Now as dash as, it's a positive statement and you can see negative word not so is not used. So we'll compare. Okay, we'll do the comparative statement here, and if the statement is in positive, we'll change the comparative into negative. So what we will do, Mr. Kapoor will come in the beginning, then you add is, not, and then popular will become more popular. Okay, why more popular? Because the adjective is 6-letter word. So we have added more to it. Okay, so Mr. Kapoor is not more popular. Then you add the compulsory word then, Mr. Khan. Mr. Kapoor is not more popular than Mr. Khan is a comparative statement and superlative is not possible over here. Next sentence. April is not so hot as May. Again, this is a positive statement students, and not so is used. So what we will do? We will change it into comparative but in the positive one. Okay, will not affirmative sentence. So How we will do? May will come in the beginning. May is hot will become hotter. May is hotter than April. So easy, right? And here also superlative not possible. Third statement. A hair is thinner than an iron wire. Okay, a hair is thinner than an iron wire. Now here this is in comparative. You can see why, because thin, it is thinner. The word thinner is used. Adjective thinner is used. And thinner than. So that's a comparative statement and it's a positive one. So we will change it into positive statement but in a negative way. So we'll add not to it. An iron wire will come in the beginning. As you can see, an iron wire is not so thin. Thinner will become thin. Not so thin as a hair. Okay, clear? Again, superlative is not possible. Students, please remember, if you do not, memorize these rules, it is not possible. Okay, so you need to memorize all three types and their rules to solve this exercise very clearly. Okay, in case you add superlative, it will be wrong. Let's look at next sentence. I'm not so rich as him. Okay, not so is used. That means it's positive, and also negative word not is used. So we'll change it into comparative. He is, him will change it into pronoun he, that we know. Okay, so him will change it into he and he will come in the beginning. So he is richer. Rich will become richer than me. You can see I have not used the word not. Okay, because in positive there's not. So in comparative we'll not use not. Okay, no need to get confused. Just listen carefully and that you'll be good to go. He's richer than me. That's a comparative statement. Again, superlative not possible. Next sentence. Gold is not heavier than platinum. Okay, not heavier, comparative statement. So we'll use positive. Platinum will come in the beginning. So platinum is as heavy. Heavier will become heavier. And we will use as dash has. As. So as heavy as gold. Let's look at the next one. He is better than you. Okay, now better. So again, as I said, there are some irregular adjectives which cannot be converted from the positive. So good will not become gooder, or better will not become bettest, or okay, so you need to remember this. Not even more better, most better, that is not possible. So good, better, best. It's not good, gooder, goodest, or good, more good, most good. You need to remember this. Okay, spelling rules. So he is better than you is a comparative statement. When you convert it into positive, you will come in the beginning. You are not, and you remember the tenses we have solved before. So with you we will use are. You is not possible. So you are not so good, better will become good. You are not so good as him. He will change into him. Pronoun. Okay, great. Let's look at the next one. Raj is more intelligent than Ram. This is a comparative statement, more intelligent, right? So when you change it into positive, Ram will come in the beginning. Ram is not so intelligent as Raj. Great, easy it is now. Next one. Meena is not so helpful to me as Leena. Not so dash as. So this is positive, negative. So we'll compare, we'll add comparative sentence without using the word not. So Leena will come into beginning. Leena is helpful will become more helpful. Leena is more helpful to me than Meena. Okay. Next one. Her brother is not so clever as my sister. Positive sentence. When you change it into comparative, my sister will come in the beginning. So my sister is clever will become cleverer. My sister is cleverer than her brother. Okay. Last one. Mumbai is bigger than Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad will come in the beginning. Ahmedabad is not so big. Bigger will change it into big. Ahmedabad is not so big as Mumbai. Great students, so here we completed type 3 fair book exercise as well. We'll be soon back with a new presentation, new topic, type 4. Okay, so till then practice very hard. Do not get confused between the rules. It should be very clear in your head. Okay, till then take care and have a very good day.